maths is when is my maths class? It is at 11, but you will have 12 noon. Okay. 22nd
Ma'am, it's
maths.
not like that. Offline, it's online only now.
Yes, it will be online, not offline.
So not
1
other
hour.
classes, now.
No, there won't be
Only
any other classes. Only the test will be there on that day. Okay.
okay, like before the exams now.
So ma'am,
Yeah.
the
Will
exams
this be
will go
uploaded?
on.
Ma'am, will this be uploaded?
Yes, this will be uploaded. I'm telling you about my subject. This will be announced. I'm just telling you because last time we told na it is like 3 days and all. So it is not like that. 23rd will be signed. For now, this is your date sheet. Just remember it. 23rd is Tuesday. Tuesday we have 10 a.m. class, no? So 10 a.m. science. 10 to 11 a.m. This is 12 to 1 p.m.
Ma'am, we will get 1 hour time this time. Last time we got 45 minutes.
It is actually basically 45 minutes only, but you have to click picture and then upload it on the classroom. Okay, understood? So it will
Yeah,
take
ma'am.
some time. So that is why
Ma'am,
it
it will
is.
be a
Ma'am, you will upload the question paper at the Google
Yes,
Classroom.
Ma'am, it
yes.
will
I
be
will
25
upload.
marks paper only, right?
Yes, it will be 25 marks only. The same. Everything is same. Syllabus same. Everything same. Marks same. Only thing is how it is conducted. It will be conducted online now. It will be conducted online, and 12
So,
noon
ma'am,
I
on
will.
Monday only there will be 2 subjects.
Yes, two subjects. Like science paper will be there. I think one more paper
Ma'am,
will be
like
there.
on 22nd, maths is there, and at 12 o'clock, and on 10 o'clock there is one. Like solely two
Yes,
subjects.
yes, only two papers will be there. And this will be online. So I will upload it just 5 minutes before 12 noon. You also log in 5 minutes early so that you can just check your Google Classroom and all, whether the question paper is proper or not. And then we can start with the paper. Keep your cameras on while doing the paper. I'll be sitting there only. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. And before 1 p.m., just submit it.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we need to join the Mandela
Yes.
link only, or there will be a new
Yes,
link.
your class link only.
Yeah,
I
ma'am.
mean, which time we have to join, ma'am?
I have written over here. For 22nd maths, it is 12 noon, and for science, it is 10 a.m. Okay, try to
Ma'am,
join 5 minutes early. It is 5 minutes early. It will be fine so that
Ma'am,
you
but
get.
you told that we have the paper offline.
But I am telling now that it is changed and it is online. Okay, so that one is cancelled. I am telling now that it will be online. Okay, so you have to prepare seriously. It is like a test only. So because many people don't give it seriously now in offline tests, so this should be online, because see most of the papers, when the school starts also, it will be a normal test only. You cannot see the paper before exam. Okay, so this will be online like the earlier classes only. 1 hour you have to submit the same
ma'am,
time, upload it on
I want
Google.
to ask something.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was asking that can we make the paper earlier? Like we have to write the date and all. Can we write it earlier?
You can do that. Okay. Okay, one more thing.
Ma'am, we don't have supplements at home, so can we use books or pages like?
Keep your pages ready. Okay, keep your sheet
Yeah,
ready. Okay, before the
yeah.
test.
Ma'am, I have
Sheets are
some
there, na?
supplements. I will save it
Yeah,
for. I
two
will save for
sheets
exam.
you get now, so you keep those sheets ready and do it in that only. Click pictures and
Yes,
upload.
ma'am.
Now what I have decided, next week we'll have revision. Okay, next.
Full week revision, ma'am.
No full week revision. I'm mentioning the date. Revision will be on Wednesday. We have maths class, so Wednesday maths revision. So before that, you prepare for all this. And Thursday science revision.
Ma'am, can we do like in the class you will ask questions and then we'll
Yes, that way
one
only.
by one we will answer,
Yes, that's why. For
and
that, you
you
have
can
to be prepared.
listen to the doubts which some students have and then you can clear.
So that is only revision, na? So we'll do that only. So for that you should be prepared. Then only you can come with your doubts and all. Okay. So Wednesday, mark your dates. The next Wednesday will be maths revision, and Thursday will be science revision. Many questions I have already given you worksheets. Most probably I'll discuss those questions. I might ask questions from there only, okay? Because too many questions I have already given to you. So I might
Yes,
ask
ma'am.
from there. And if you have any doubt, you can ask the same day, okay? And Monday and Tuesday we'll have regular class. Fine?
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Is
Ma'am,
there
now we
any
will do. No, ma'am. Ma'am, now we will do deposition, right?
No, deposition we are not doing. Deposition is not a separation method, so we are not doing that.
Okay.
Now, I gave you one question. Remember, I gave you one question when we were ending our class last week. What was the question? Anyone can read that question?
Ma'am, I forgot the name of that thing, but I
Name suitable
Solve.
technique
Ma'am, I have done the homework.
components from a mixture of calcium and camphor.
Yeah, camphor is ammonium chloride, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ammonium chloride.
Okay, let me come to the question then. All of you have
Ma'am,
not
we will
written
use
it.
sublimation, ma'am.
That was
Yes, ma'am, we will use
sublimation.
sublimation because
So
camphor is a
first,
substance that
whenever
sublimation.
sublimation we have to use, first step should be sublimation. Okay. Camphor is actually ammonium chloride
Ma'am, I
only.
wrote the answer of last time you gave questions now.
Read, Humera, what was the question and then give me the answer.
Name a suitable techniques of separation.
Yeah, this was a question of the components from a mixture of calcium sulfate and
Yes.
camphor. So yeah, what is the answer?
Sublimation can be used for the separation when the mixture is heated.
Camphor is
Camphor
sublime.
and calcium sulfate remains.
Yes. So this is the answer. You have to write like that only. When the mixture is heated, camphor sublimes and evaporates, vaporizes, and calcium not evaporates. Camphor sublimes and vaporizes, and
Calcium sulfate remains.
yeah, remains. So
Ma'am, can you explain how will you separate a mixture of ammonium chloride, sand, and
ammonium,
water?
yeah, ammonium.
Yeah,
Wait.
ammonium chloride,
This was the
sand,
next
and
question,
water.
I think.
Sand and salt.
Yeah, to separate the component of a mixture of sand, common salt, and ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride can also be called as camphor in normal language. Ammonium chloride is the chemical name. Okay. So by sublimation. So how will you do that? Yahya explained me that day. Who else can explain? Abdullah, can you
Can I
try?
say?
Yes, Abdullah.
So, ma'am, sand and salt are the same or different, ma'am?
Sand and salt are same. Sand and salt are different things.
Oh, yes, ma'am. So first, what we will do is we will do sublimation. So we will get ammonium chloride. Then we will take the sand and the salt and
We will
put
say
water in it.
we'll do sublimation. We'll carry out sublimation in the mixture so that ammonium chloride vaporizes. Okay, and we are left with what?
Mixture of sand and
Salt.
salt.
Then what will you do?
Then we will pour water because salt is soluble, so it will get mixed in the water. So and sand is insoluble, so then we can use a filter. Then we can use decantation. So the sand settles on the
That
ground
is
and
sedimentation.
we can pour.
That is sedimentation.
Sorry, sedimentation, and then we can use decantation to remove the water. Then we can use filtration. Then we will use filtration. So we get we will pour the water through the filter paper. So we will get pure water, and the sand will be stuck on the
Filter paper. So this is the answer, Ibrahim. Did you hear?
Ma'am, I hear, but I did not understand the starting one, ma'am.
Starting one means, see, you have a mixture of these three things. You will heat
Yes.
it. When you heat it,
Yes.
the ammonium chloride will sublime, means vaporizes, vapor ban ke nikalta hai, right? So you
Yes.
are left with a mixture of sand and common salt. Now in this
Yes.
mixture, you know how to separate it. We have
We
already
will
done.
add water.
You will
We
mix
will add.
water in it so that sand is insoluble in water, but salt
And
dissolves
salt
in
will dissolve, and then we
water.
can use. We will do filtration
And
after
then
that,
the
and
salt
then
will
on the
deposit.
filter paper, sand
Hmm.
will stick on the filter paper, and we will get pure
Yeah.
salt.
So you can see with the diagram, first step is sublimation. Second step, if you want, you can write down. Okay, I'll make you write down. You have written the
Ma'am, I
question.
want to say something. Ma'am, when we filter it, then down we will get salt water. So again we need to distillation. We need to use distillation. Then we will get pure water
Correct.
and salt.
Distillation, yeah, evaporation, anything you can do.
Yeah.
Okay, you can see the step.
Distillation would be better.
All
And
of
we
you
can
have
do
written.
filtration also, na ma'am. Filtration mein we will get salt and we will get pure water.
Nahi, filtration
No.
mein you will get only salt
Salt
water.
is already
And sand is
dissolved.
separate.
Sand
Salt
is
Ma'am, we
only
will get
separating.
salt alag and water alag, na ma'am.
No. You will get only
No.
sand on the filter paper and salt water in the container. Then you
Because
will
we added water, ma'am.
yes. Then you will do
Salt
distillation.
dissolved.
water.
Then you will do distillation. Okay, I'm explaining you once again. See, these are the
Yes,
diagrams
ma'am.
already done. First of all, wait. First step is you will carry out sublimation. So carry out sublimation means separation of ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride is removed, it sticks on the wall of the container, and you are left with mixture of only sand and salt. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now
how we will get sand and salt out when when
here,
we will
here you will
pour it down? Oh, so we can remove the ball from down.
yes, yeah, you can remove it.
Yes.
Okay. And then what happens? You just remove this inverted funnel, and then you are left with only sand and this thing, salt over
Yes.
here. Then you mix water in it. When you mix water in it, salt, sand, and water. So what happens? Sedimentation may sand settles down, and you are left with fine sand over here also, plus water and
Yes.
salt. Everything is over here. Then what we carry out? We carry out filtration. In filtration, on filter paper, you are left with sand and salt water falls down in the beaker. Okay.
Yes. And
So
then we
now
will
you have,
distillate. We will do
yeah,
distillation or
yes,
evaporation.
yes. So now you have in this filtrate, you have a salt solution, and on the residue is deposited on the filter paper.
Yeah.
That is sand. Okay. So, and then you can carry out evaporation or this thing. So just write down the question everyone has written in the last class.
Ma'am,
You just
but when we add water, then you said we will do sedimentation. But ma'am, why sedimentation should take place?
sedimentation, not necessarily sedimentation, not required. Also, you keep it for some time so that all the sand comes down. Okay, even if you don't do, when you are doing filtration, it is fine even if you don't do sedimentation, but actually it is better to do so that all the sand deposits at a certain place. Okay, bottom mein. So write down the answer. First is given ammonium chloride is sublimating, so on heating the mixture, everyone has written the question yesterday last class. So after
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
this is the
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
Answer.
1 minute, ma'am. We are writing.
Yeah. So this is the answer of that question. How to write the answer?
There
You can
were
put
two questions you gave. One was name the suitable technique of separation, the separation of the components from a mixture of calcium
as the
sulfate.
sublimation. The answer I already gave now. Where is the answer? This is the second question ka answer. What was the second question? Remember the second question? I'll give you the second
Yes,
question.
ma'am. How will you separate a mixture of ammonium chloride, sand, and salt?
Yes.
Ma'am, what
Yeah,
about
my
question number 1? Name a suitable technique of separation.
Sublimation. Gave the answer now. Sublimation. On heating, that will sublimate and will left with ammonium chloride.
Ma'am, show the answer of that also.
Ma'am, in the first one, I have wrote that we will use sublimation so that camphor sublimes and vaporizes, and calcium
Yes.
sulfate will remove.
Yes, you have to
Ma'am,
write
you
that.
erased it, ma'am. We are writing. that. The answer of how will you separate?
Write down.
Yeah.
Ma'am, and for separation, I have wrote it means alag, ma'am. First, we will use sublimation so that ammonium sublimes, then vaporizes, and salt and sand will be separated. Then add water so that salt dissolves in water, and then use filtration so that sand will be add filter paper, and at last use distillation method to separate salt and water with salt and water.
Just add one more line. So a sand is there on the filter paper and we get salt solution in the filtrate. Okay. You did not mention that you are getting salt solution. So right. And we get salt solution as a filtrate. Then you carry out evaporation or distillation to separate salt and water. Okay. So yeah, your answer is also correct. This I have written in points. So you can write in points also. You can write in statements also, words also complete.
Ma'am, this is so big answer, but
This is in points. If you remember in points, if you
we
understand
will get
it,
3 marks or ma'am will get
Yes.
5 marks.
this is 3 marks
Yeah.
or 4 marks also. It can come under 4 marks also. Okay. So this is written in short.
Ma'am,
You can
what
put
is
what
fumes,
Yaya has
ma'am?
written.
What is
Fumes means vaporizes. Okay.
Oh,
Fumes means vapors. Vapors are collected.
Ma'am, where will salt solution be?
Salt solution mean. What are you asking?
No,
Yaya?
where will salt solution be in filtration? Filtration.
Acha,
What is that mean?
you wrote na ki sand is obtained on the filter paper and salt solution is obtained as filtrate in the beaker you are getting na. This is filtrate. Okay, this is filtrate and sand is residue. सैंड इज रेसिड्यू जो फिल्टर पेपर पे आता है उसको रेसिड्यू बोलते हैं जो इसमें आता है इट इज कॉल्ड एज फिल्ट्रेट सो सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन इज ऑब्टेन्ड एज अ फिल्ट्रेट and sand is obtained as a residue on filter paper. Is it clear? Yeah. So then salt solution is separated using evaporation or distillation.
ma'am, the upper one, that sentences which you gave, that is important to write, or we can write points also.
The first statement is important now because first statement they have mentioned ki you have to do sublimation.
Yeah.
Then after sublimation, these are the steps.
Ma'am, I have a question, ma'am.
Ramuni,
Ma'am, these points which is written is the same answer of the question, ma'am.
this question, yes.
Ma'am, so you have given answer in points and in another form, right?
This
So
is
we
given
can-
in points so that it is easy to remember. But you can write answer in statement. It is better if you write in statement. I have written just because so that you remember it easily.
We have
Pehle
to-
resolve-
We
pehle-
have to write both.
No, write in statement. It is better. If you write
Okay,
this
I'll
also,
write
this
in
is also
statement.
correct. Write in statement. See, Yaya has written the answer beautifully. He's written completely correct, 100% correct answer. Because whole long answer I cannot give you to write in class. So just written in points. You can put it in your own words also. You can write these points also. This is also correct. it will come in long answer question only, because so many steps are there. Paper may you get short answer question, long answer question. Yeah.
Ma'am, but this won't come in the paper right now, right?
Right now it is not coming.
Yes.
So you have 1 week, prepare well. Huh? It is like a test. It's not like offline ki you can open your book and give a test. So it's not like open book test also. Those who have never done the homework, please prepare well. Huh?
I'm done.
Ma'am, I
Done?
did not finish 1 minute. It's so big, ma'am.
Okay, write down.
Yes, ma'am.
You can write in your own words also. If you have understood, you can put it in your own words. You know how to write the answer now. Unless you are not writing.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, not done 1 minute.
You don't write during the class. You don't complete the homework. What has happened to you, Anas? Are you going to write answer in the test also?
Yeah, ma'am. I got third ma'am in my hand.
Rashta, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ibrahim, have you completed now?
Ma'am, on the last line.
No, I'm done.
Okay, so I'm changing the slide now.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Right statement, it is evaporation. Water from salt is evaporated by heating to get salt. We don't want water because water you have put. So we'll not use distillation, we'll use evaporation only, because water though we had put, we don't want water again. So use evaporation only. Okay. Now this also we have already done. It was included in the previous question. Separation of sand and salt water. So how do we separate? पीछे के question का half part means you will carry out sedimentation, then filtration.
Yeah, ma'am. Then distillation.
Yeah. So then distillation, because they have given salt water. अगर question होता कि how will you separate sand and salt? Then you will mix water in it, and then you will do, and then last may you will not use distillation, you will use evaporation. Do you understand? Wait a minute.
Ma'am, why will you use evaporation?
Wait, that's what I am explaining.
Because in this, it is written water, and in that we are
Correct, correct.
adding water, so we don't need that water. That's why we will use.
Yes, very good. See, when you are separating,
Ma'am,
wait, let me complete this. When you are separating sand plus mixture of, when you're separating mixture of, separating mixture of sand and salt. How will you separate? First step is add water. Okay, I'm writing in short. Huh? Add water. Second step is sedimentation and then filtration. Sedimentation plus filtration. Then you get, I'm writing in short, huh? Then you get salt water. So salt water is,
and we will
Yeah.
evaporate.
yes,
Evaporation.
evaporate, so that you get salt. Okay, evaporate it.
Ma'am, we can also use distillation, but
No, you cannot use, you don't use over this here distillation, because distillation is used to get pure water. And here we don't need water. We just want to separate sand and salt separately. So sand to mil gaya yahan pe filter paper pe, right? You got
Ma'am,
sand on
if we write
and salt water
if we write
evaporation
on
kiya, so you get salt. Yeah. Yes.
yes, ma'am. If we write distillation, so it is correct or not?
No, it won't be correct. Now, if in
Ma'am,
this case,
the previous question which you give not to how will you separate a mixture of ammonium chloride, sand, and salt? So, ma'am, in that I wrote the points one. I wrote the points.
हाँ तो इवापोरेशन लिखा है ना, इवापोरेशन लिखा है. सुनो, sand plus salt water. If the
Ma'am,
question,
Ma'am, I've
wait,
written
wait,
some
wait.
other answer by my own words.
Who is this? Humaira?
Yes.
Just a minute, Humaira. I'll listen to your answer. Let me just explain the difference between the two questions. I'll come to you.
Okay, ma'am.
Separating mixture of sand and salt, you will use these steps. Now, separating mixture of sand and salt water, then you will use what? First will be sedimentation and filtration. Okay. First will be sedimentation plus filtration. Filtration. So you are getting sand in this. Okay. And salt water. Then salt water is distilled. Yahan pe you will have salt water is distilled to get pure water. Means yahan pe hua distillation. Second step is distillation. Is it clear where you are going to use distillation? So salt water is distilled to get pure water and salt separately.
Ma'am, we will add water, like separating mixture of sand and salt water.
Wait
So
a
we will
second,
not.
am I adding water over here? Am I adding water? See, have I written over here
No.
water?
So
No, then
ma'am,
I'm
first we will put in the
already water.
container and then let the sand settle, right?
And then you will carry out filtration so that sand you obtain on the as a
Filter
residue
paper. Yeah.
on the filter paper, and as a filtrate you get salt water. So salt water is then you will carry out distillation to get pure water and salt separately. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. But
where
ma'am, I want to ask that when we distill it, so that when we get pure water, then where the salt is, the salt gets
that salt is
evaporated.
there where you are heating the mixture, there you get salt.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So ये वाले container में salt
Ma'am,
है
in
and
real life, separation methods are used, ma'am. Like
yes,
these
yes,
distillations are used.
yes, they are used. I gave you, I showed you one slide na, sea water distillation कैसे होता है, evaporation कैसे होता है,
Yes.
to separate salt. So this is used na, that's why we are learning these things. So okay, now coming to Humaira. Yeah, Humaira, which question and what answer you wrote? Tell me. Yes, Humaira, what was the question?
No, ma'am,
And
is this, ma'am, what you just wrote on the whiteboard, now that only, and I got the same answer only.
Okay, fine.
Just like
So
I
you-
wrote it in steps, right?
you can write in your own words. It should mention what you are writing. It should be same.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
So this now
Ma'am,
coming,
can I say my own answer after you complete?
which answer you want to say?
How will you separate a mixture of ammonium chloride, sand, and salt?
We have done it already now, Ibrahim. How many times
Okay,
you will
ma'am.
speak? Same answer I showed you on slide also. Okay. So now coming to the next part. So this we were doing separation of sand from salt. So I told you put water and all. The last method of separation is magnetic separation. So magnetic separation is used whenever you have a mixture of magnetic and non-magnetic material. So what happens? Like some iron filings in a china dish you have, then add some sugar to it. If you have a mixture of iron filings and sugar, how will you separate? You will use a magnet and bring the magnet near the mixture. You will see that the magnetic particles get attracted towards the iron and you are left with the sand. So if it is asked, how will you separate a mixture of sand and iron filings or sugar and iron filings? So you will use this magnetic separation method. Okay.
Ma'am, I want to
Ma'am, but
ask a question, ma'am.
some parts of the iron filings can also be in the sugar or sand.
Yes, ma'am. The sugar will be unsafe and
Yes,
unpurified.
ma'am.
No, it is not for use, but yes, you can use sieving also. Then iron filings are bigger particles.
So,
than
ma'am, they should be powder. Then we need to powder it, and then again we need to
Ah.
sieve it, ma'am.
So you can do that also.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
want to
Grind
And
it.
most
Then
of the
only.
most of the iron
Ma'am.
fillings will get out from the magnet. Most of them.
Yeah,
Most of it
most,
will
but
get
there are
out.
so small particles that they can still be
But
in
the
the
rest
sugar.
of them you can do with sieving.
You take
Yeah.
bigger.
No,
you
first
can,
we need to powder them, and then we need to sieve them.
so anyway you can do, or you can use sieving, or you can use a bigger magnet to separate. Okay, so that most of the magnetic will jump
Ma'am,
and
we need
get.
to use horseshoe magnet.
Ma'am, I want to say something, ma'am.
आपको क्या है?
Yeah. Yes, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I was
This is
telling
the
that
topic
if the
magnetic separation, huh?
Ma'am,
Write
what?
down this.
ma'am,
Write
I
down
was
the
telling
topic.
that
Definition, ma'am.
Ma'am, we need to write this.
Don't write this, just write the topic magnetic
Ma'am, please
separation.
go to the next slide, ma'am.
ma'am, I want to ask
First write down the
something.
topic.
Ma'am, 1 minute. I am writing the
Just a moment.
magnetic.
Who is asking? Who is asking? Yeah,
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I
Yes,
was
Kiran.
asking that if the plate is of steel or metal, so the magnet will attract it.
Ah.
So we don't need steel or that paper.
Correct. That is
plate,
why
no?
China dish is asked, na? That is why it is written that you have to take it in China dish. Okay.
Ma'am,
Or-
I want to ask that what will be the
Ma'am, we have
basis
to write
of
down
the
all this.
magnetic separation?
So that's what it is written. Na? It is used to separate whenever you have a mixture of magnetic and non-magnetic substance. So you have to write this
Ma'am, I
slide.
wrote the title. We need to write this full
Then
slide
write
and we need to.
only one sentence is there. Don't draw the diagram. It's okay.
We need to draw. We need to write till etc. Ma'am. This method.
Yes,
is
yes.
used. Okay, ma'am.
So the question can be asked, how will you separate? I'll just write down in the form of question. This is a question.
Ma'am, iron granules. Can we write iron filings?
Huh.
Instead of iron granules.
So this is our last method. I'm not doing chromatography because you have this in grade 9 also. So we'll do that time only chromatography.
Grade 9, ma'am. There are more 3 years to go in grade 9.
Only 2 years, man. Half for you.
9th, we will count 9 also.
For me, it's 4 years.
I am in 6th standard now.
Arre, you are in 7th.
6th.
Arre,
Last year we were in 5th.
DWPS was 5th, and then Mandela Wright was 6th, and then this now Mandela is
But
7th.
we will count the whole academic year. We will not count just Wright and Mandela.
Ibrahim, we are in 7.
We are doing 7th grade.
We are mixed
We
class.
are in Mandela. We are in Mandela. बस हो गया.
Okay, ma'am.
Ibrahim, we all are
Yes,
7th
right.
grade. All are 7th grade.
Cheaters, you skipped 1 year.
So what happened? Already Abdullah is repeating one standard. You will also skip Munib bhai with this. Don't worry.
I will also repeat.
But how will I skip? I have done every class. I have not skipped even in class.
Have you
Munib
written this
बेचारा
question?
मुनीब बेचारा नीचे हमारे साथ.
Ma'am, I wrote. Now we need to write the question. How will you
Abdullah,
separate?
Write
whenever
the
I was, I
question,
there
write
only.
the answer on your own. I'll not give the answer.
Ma'am, what
Simple.
is sulfur, ma'am?
Sulfur is one element, okay, non-metal. So how will you? It is a non-metal, and you know that
Ma'am,
iron
it is looking like milk or butter.
it is yellowish in color. Medicines contain sulfur in it. Okay, iron filings will attract metals, so that is why sulfur is a non-metal. It will not attract it. So you can separate a non-metal and metal.
Ma'am, we
By-
need to write the answer by our own, right?
Yes, you can write answer at home. Abhi, right now we'll move to the next slide now.
No, I finished writing.
Ma'am, I
will
also
start
finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Me too.
Okay, so I'm erasing it. How will you separate a mixture of sulfur and iron filings? That you have, you know what you have to use. Chromatography I'm not doing. We'll do it in higher grade. Okay, question is separating mixture. A funnel separates liquid from small solids. You know that funnel. We have all these things we have already done. Just to recap, this chapter is actually complete. So I'm just doing a small recap. Magnet is used in magnetic separation where metals are separated from non-metals. Boiling means vaporization or evaporation can be used to separate solid from liquid. Now choose, what is it? Choose the correct way to separate each mixture. Okay. Salt water, which way you will use? Which method?
Distillation.
Distillation, okay, and evaporation.
Or evaporation.
Evaporation.
Paper clip and paper.
Hand picking. Hand picking.
Okay, hand picking. Vegetable and soup.
Sieving. Sieving.
hand picking or CV is also okay.
Sieving.
Hand in the
Picking
soup.
hoga vegetable seed. Nails and sand.
Hand picking.
Magnetic separation.
Magnetic
separation.
Yes. So these are
Magnetic separation.
vegetable and soup. May you can have sieving. You can use sieving.
Ma'am, but in that paper clip and paper, it showed magnetic
It can be
separation.
magnetic also. It can be hand picking also. Okay.
Yeah, because paper clip is made of steel, so
Okay,
we
now
can
these are some important points. Please write down these points. I'm just underlining. Now, mixture is a physical combination of two or more first line. We have already written, so don't write this. Substance in a mixture separated by physical method. This also we have written. Now, this is a short note where do we use all these methods? So write down in points. Like first one, hand picking. A method is used to separate slightly large size. Yahya, you were asking now, where do we
Ma'am,
use it?
these can come in filling the blanks also, ma'am, in the exam, right?
So where do we, or question can be asked, when do we use hand picking? This one. Second is grains are separated from stalks by threshing. Threshing एक ही method है. Third is lighter and heavier particles in a mixture are separated by wind by winnowing. Fourth is very small particles of different size are separated by sieving. Fifth one is undissolved solid is separated by from water by sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. So this is basically your important notes of this chapter. Okay, important.
Have
Okay,
we finished this chapter?
Yes, we have finished this chapter. This chapter is over. Monday, Tuesday, we'll start with a new chapter. And then Thursday, we'll have revision.
Ma'am, what will be the name of the chapter? Integer. No, sorry, that will come in.
That is maths.
Ma'am, we have not yet completed percentage, right?
percentage is complete. Only word problems are there. One more class I'll take for practice word problems. And then next, after the FA, we'll have new chapter for maths also.
Yay.
Yeah, completed. Don't want to write. You were asking about these points.
Ma'am wrote.
You wrote all 5.
No, ma'am, I have taken screenshots.
Okay. So one more page is there.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am, we have not finished, ma'am. It's so much.
Finish faster, when
Yeah,
class
ma'am.
is over.
Ma'am, I'm on the first one.
What?
I'm on the second one, ma'am. Wait, ma'am.
I came on the
No.
second one right now.
Ma'am, I've taken a screenshot. I'll make notes and write it later.
You can
Ma'am,
take
in
a
computer, I don't know how
I'm
to
on
take a
fourth, ma'am.
screenshot. 1 minute.
Teach him, Amina, how to take screenshot.
Ma'am, I tried Amina steps, but I don't know where it saves, ma'am. I don't know where it saves.
Files and folders.
You have to just go in the Word document and Control V. You have to do just when you do home
Just
and
paste it on the Word document and save the Word document.
But ma'am, I want to write now, ma'am. There is so many homeworks of so many. Ma'am, now I came on third.
Goes on the desktop only. If I take a screenshot.
Or you can take a photo with the phone if you find that hard.
Yeah, you can click picture with phone also. And later on you complete. Okay, one more page is there. So these are the important points.
I've read only last point left.
Ma'am, I am also on the fourth one. 1 minute.
I'll see next class. I'll bring some because we have not done questions on separation. I just did some of the questions when we were doing the topics, but a mixed question on separation also I'll bring so that.
Ma'am, in essay exam, the whole year's portion will come.
Whole year cannot come, na, because some of you have done different chapters.
From semester 2, ma'am. From semester 2.
From where you you have come to Mandela group. From there we can have the syllabus.
Ma'am, from November ending, from November ending and from December starting, we got together as New Mandela. Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm on the last line. 1 minute. Separated from.
Ma'am, we have to write something else.
Yes. 3,
1
4
minute,
more
ma'am.
points
Last
are there.
line. Arey, Rushda, don't send messages in the chat. I can't see.
Rushta, why you disturb
Okay,
everyone?
sorry.
You are not doing, then you are disturbing others. I don't.
No, that will what we did in October and all that will not come, right?
No, you did force, na? Force is the
Fiction and
syllabus for
force.
Tagore. Yeah, so that is the syllabus for Tagore.
I'm done, ma'am. Ma'am, we did not do force, ma'am, when we were in rights.
It will not come. It will only come from changes, physical, chemical.
Ma'am, 2 minutes the last. I was on the last one, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am, done. Ma'am, the next which you slide you're showing, we can take a picture or a screenshot and we can
Hey,
copy
ma'am,
in the
mine
break.
is not done, ma'am. I'm on the last one.
Wait, 1 moment. I'll just write 5 points you have written. This is 6. Don't write all the points. Wait.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, I will
Yes,
take a picture only.
6 ho gaya, dissolved, yes, 7. You will need all the points, 9.
All, ma'am, we need to write all of them.
Yeah.
1 minute,
invisible
ma'am, I'll take a picture.
Just 10 points, till 10 points, because we have not done separating funnel method. So till 10 points, 5 points on this page, 5 points on this. Write down Abdullah now. Wait.
Ma'am, 1 minute, let me take a picture.
Okay, take a picture.
Done, ma'am.
Everyone-
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Okay. Abdullah, you want to complete the previous point? Which one? The last one? You just have to start from
Ma'am, what
here.
did you do, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
We
The
were
last one.
trying-
The last one just.
Ma'am,
Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. We are going to.
ma'am, can you go front or back, ma'am? I was writing, ma'am. That wala evaporation is the process of which a liquid wala, ma'am.
This one?
Yes,
Take a
ma'am.
picture. Take a picture, Munib, and make a note. These points are important. So just write down the important
ma'am.
points.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'll complete this in the break.
Yes.
Grant,
Okay.
don't have a free snipping tool.
What is free?
Ma'am, ma'am, can you go back,
What?
please?
Ma'am, I did not understand what you said.
Screenshot on computer.
Snipping
Arey, I got a screenshot. Now I'm seeing from that.
Full screen snip.
called free snipping tool, not full screen snip.
I have full screen snip.
I am better.
Okay, done. Those who have taken screenshots,
ma'am,
please write it in your notebook. Please write everyone in your notebook. Okay, these are important
ma'am.
points. Okay, should
I'm
I stop
writing.
sharing now? Everyone has done. Noted
Yeah,
down.
ma'am. Thank you. Bye,
Okay,
ma'am.
so all. Bye.
See you on Monday.
Yeah, prepare for your test and revision also.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
I have Windows 10. Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Ma'am.